So today we've got something a little more exciting. Don't know if you can see this, but yeah, just there. We've got one of the. Basically, I'll show you. It's very.
It's good to feel that.
It'll be an in on the Jersey, alongside load up.
What we need in marine rescue. Air conditioning.
Sorry?
We need air conditioning. Marine rescue. Is that what you got?
Yes. It doesn't get
We used to do that in we used to
Has it? So is it about 100?
we raft up and then pilot boat and coming
Yeah,
back.
it's supposed to slowly move on. So. Yeah.
I wouldn't leave us there. They used to do not gas, but we used to do fuel oil.
Bad, but it was on and after activated the new button.
Captain yourself, Bristol Beach, good morning. We have a outbound vessel. Outbound vessel passing your first in approximately 20 minutes. Length, so is it one length is 200 meters, 200 meters draft. 6.4 meters over.
It's your last job.
I've got the passenger ship out 16:30.
Yes, I don't see anymore. So yeah,
We're on fucking senior agents.
I start Wednesday.
Oh, this smells good. Yeah, it's not right. Yeah, it's not right out. That's a nice wave off guard, isn't it?
That's so nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, gone today. So you really only had that one day. 'Cause the day before she was pretty So yeah, you're about 2.4 miles northeast of the ground.
Yeah, probably like 190. 190. Thanks, bro.
Sliding lanyard. Try sliding lanyard all the way around. And there he goes.
MSC 94 pop. Seen worse that heading.
Yeah, there's a lot of wind coming around that one.
Yeah.
What was that?
240.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. And 10 knots too.
Yeah, right. Weird.
Brisbane BTS. Pilot launch.
Here we are coming back across the bar. I believe so. They came from the Orcas, the original boat design, and I believe they are French. And that's